In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to hide people you follow on Instagram. Instagram doesn't let you completely hide your following list from everyone, but you can control who sees it. The first method is simply make your account private account. To do that, go to your Instagram and from your profile, tap on this hamburger menu to go to your account settings. In here, scroll down and just tap on account privacy and turn on private account. Tap on switch to private, and before making your account private, must transfer your account from professional or business account to personal account. Once you successfully make your private account, now only your approved followers can see who you follow, and strangers, non-followers, cannot view your following list. And the second method is restrict or block specific people. If you don't want certain account can see your following or follower list, you can just go to their profile, and from their profile tap on this three dot and then tap on restrict, or you can just tap on block. And blocked users won't see your profile, followers or following. Or you can just remove followers without blocking. Just go to their profile and just unfollow the account, and if your account is private, then they won't be able to see who you follow anymore. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.